real ones know what I'm talking about. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm saying this. It was like a paper dragon head, but it could go on my head. It was huge. I wanted to make a remake, and I've had this for months. You've probably seen it in a few videos here and there if you looked close enough. This is Faye's head scaled up so that it could fit me. Yeah, I made this a long time ago, and I was just thinking like, heck yeah. I am supposed to be doing homework and making a thumbnail for my video. What did my motivation want me to do? This. I already did my paper dragon head base. I'm gonna do like a mini version so I can show you what I did, because I know that the base is like the main part of the paper dragon. When you have your design, start cutting it. Now that we have our piece cut, we're just gonna do that and mirror it. Okay, now that we have both of our like side pieces, we're gonna put them like this. It's basically like just making a base, to be honest. I think what I did is I put it on either side of my head. I'm not sure if you can even see that. That make sure that it goes smaller here to make it look good, but also like tight around your head, because if you just have like a box around your head, it's not really gonna fit right. What happened was, this is my third remake of a dragon. I'll show you pictures here of the first and second. This is the third one, you'll see soon. The first two head paper dragon things, I always made it bigger than my head, thinking that I could make like a thing that, you know, wraps around my head to make it like a helmet inside or something. But with this third version, I just made it fit my head like tight. My head doesn't go inside of this area here. It kind of sticks out here. And then I have the band going around my head outside here as well. So it kind of like hugs my like actual face, but not my head. And if it doesn't fit tightly on your head, you could always use straps, like pieces of cardboard, and just like make like, you know, make it fit inside your head, like just for you. Okay, with our two pieces of head and our triangle, I actually don't know where my small hot glue gun is, so I have my big one, and it's really hard to get this out. Like this, you can literally see it's like dusty and things. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. It's really weird because big hot glue gun, small dragon, when I normally do the opposite. Ah, look at her. She's actually like coming together. I'm also gonna put some inside. Oh my god, I just saw steam coming out of it. What the heck? No way it's that hot. So yeah, you have this side, you have this side. This part fits your head here. You can put it on, for example, this is the head. You just put it on like this. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like, it's like a little baby. Another part is you actually do need to put a structural thing here. Once you have your little square that fits the nose, just... Okay, so this is where we are now with where I started from in the video. So yeah, that is how you make the base part of your paper dragon. Initially, my idea was to make it talk, you know, when your jaw moves, to make it talk. Because I actually made this when dino masks started to get popular. That's when I made her, because there wasn't any dino masks at my store. And it's been like 1.5 years, but I'm making her now. At this point, I wish I could just like snap my fingers and it be done, because I want to film like so many videos with this. If you're a dragon puppeteer, you know how it feels, especially having a dragon puppet as like your main. And it's really hard because most of the content creators are obviously people, and it's hard to get the message out like in the short or video you're trying to make without like a human in it, and it's just a paper dragon. Do you know what I mean? And then I see other people with like dino masks, or box heads. Zeph, she made like a box head. It's just easier to get the message of the short instead of having a paper dragon. Also, I am not a furry. I'm making this to hide my face so I can do more paper dragon. Okay, nice. I did it, and I'm just gonna see if it fits. Yeah, it does. Okay, oh, I didn't cut this little. Is that right? Okay, nice. Oh, I cut a little. Oh, that's kind of a lot. How did I outlined it for this eye. So wait. It's gonna fit this eye. Can you tell I'm tired? I have the hot glue gun here. She's gonna chill there. I'm just measuring how thick she is and then how tall it is. Also, you know when cardboard, see, it has these like things, try, especially when you're, for example, I'm bending it this way, because of these little ripples in the cardboard, it makes it easier for me to fold it that way instead of going against them, and then it's just gonna be difficult. That should fit. What I'm gonna do now is just bend it while the hot glue gun gets warm. If it seems like I'm rushing, I'm not. I'm just excited to finish this. And also, I should be doing a bunch of other things, but yeah. Hey, see, look at that. She fits perfectly. And then make sure you put it on both sides. Ah, I'm bending it too much. Please. Oh, okay, I just broke it all. Nice. I'm basically just pressing along here, making sure it's like all the way. Okay, now that I have my nose covered, actually, I haven't put it on yet. Oh wow, that's a lot harder to see. It's better if I close one eye to see. Hello. Oh. Anyway. I'm totally not using these as the square things. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm scared now. I'm gonna go small. Is this okay? I've not done this before, so... So it is the next day and I'm gonna try to show how I did this eye, but on this side here, we had to fix the net in our window. So we bought like mosquito nets and we had a lot left over. So I used it because see this, you can like see through it, but you can also paint on it. So what I did for this side was I just put it like underneath. And I do my eyes a specific way, you might do yours differently. So I just outlined where I wanted my things and what the eye to look like. And then just colored it all in white many, many times, guys. Do this multiple times. This is what it looks like right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and, yeah, basically do like a few layers. With this side, I think I had three layers. That you might have like different materials, like maybe not mosquito net, but something else that works. Definitely use that. I'm just gonna keep making sure that it looks similar to the other eye, because if not, then that's not gonna be good. So I'm gonna do 3 of these at a time and just keep layering white. Because yeah, it looks white here, right? But then it's like nothing. And on camera, it's even worse. And you can clearly see my fingers through. So we need to do that a few times. But also another thing that you need to keep in mind, if you're using mosquito net, if you do the pieces the same and align them, it's not gonna make a difference if you do 10 layers or like 1. You have to kind of like turn it to the side so that the crosses like go differently. What I'm doing is 1 straight, 1 this way, and 1 that way, like an X. From far away, that looks great. So that's what I'm gonna do. go over it again. Yeah, do you see the difference between that and that? Well, there's another layer. I'm just kind of thinking like, what else, if you don't have like mosquito net, what you could use? Probably like maybe fabrics, like a type of like tool or something. You could probably use that. Like you could go to your local like sewing place and get like fabrics that are like see-through and like layer them. That would probably be similar. I think my white pen's kind of dry. Yeah, I gotta give it time. Is this the green? I hope it is. And then I'm gonna color where I want the eye to be. It goes really well on top of the white, so I'm glad that works. Oh, you see, it's like, I don't know why it's doing that. And then once again, just outlining all of it. I should buy Poscas this Christmas. I think like, oh my god, why is my hand looking like that? Because Poscas are great for things like this, although it's expensive. I think my pen's kind of drying out, so I'm just gonna close it. And I don't think there's anything else I can work on. Trying to get the like ink at the bottom. I can't really use pencils. I did shade a little bit on the outside here. Probably should do more. Also, I did an eyebrow, but I don't know how I feel about it. Oh, this star right here. I'm gonna do that because I filmed so many videos like without actually doing it. So this one right here. But I regret doing that. No, it's fine. I can fix it. Oh, hold on. I need to like do this off the desk really quick so I don't ruin this. Hey, look at that. That's actually pretty cute. You know what? I'm gonna do some more like swirls and things over here. Okay, now I just have to duplicate that to the other side. Oh my gosh, cute. Okay. I don't know. Honestly, I have like a butterfly here. Other than that and like the little details, I really don't know what to do. I don't know. I just want to like kind of customize it. Instead of making it just look like Faye. Oh, actually, this is her butterflies. These ones right here. I think that is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at her. Ah, adorable. I don't know. What do you guys think I could add to this? Yeah, just let me know in the comments. And then, yeah, I think oh, definitely a little bit to fix. Moving on to the third layer. Sorry, I'm doing it like all the way down at the screen. I did not notice that. I always forget that like this is the center of the like screen for you guys because like I'm very far away. I keep like bringing it down to me. Yeah, my white pen is not working. I bought these and they do not work at all. Like, hello? So, like, I've done this. I did it so much, and it's still not working. Like, a school one of these that to, like, erase your work is better than the expensive Sharpie that I paid for. Because if I just, like, draw, it doesn't do anything. Okay, let me see. I hope I don't mess anything up. That'll mess the table up. You probably won't be able to see what I do. Neither will I, but... No, see, it's just getting it like, oh, it is kind of working. But it's more like a paint. It's not really like a pen. Ooh, but it is white though, I'll say that. But hey, that's looking good. Bro, look at the difference. There's a difference, right? No, see, it is fading into the color. Maybe it's the Hoo Hoo markers. Because this is literally made for Sharpies. It's Sharpie brand, so it should work with Sharpies, but it's not. Like, hello. But anyways, let's get back to the eye. I did the green layer, so I'm just going to continue Sorry. Oh my god. I did the white layer, but I need to continue with the green one. I actually hot glued them together, but I don't have my hot glue right now, so I'm just using tape. Okay. Here we go. And beautiful. First of all, the base being done like months ago and then finally finishing it like months later, but it's okay. I'm so glad to finally finish her. I will do the star on the other side, and wow, she looks so pretty. Like, look at the little details of the star and everything. It's actually quite simple compared to my other paper dragons, but this is just like a head that I might use in videos. So yeah, okay. Thanks so much for watching and being here and doing this tutorial with me. If you make one, I would love to see it, and definitely tag me if you can. It's gonna be weird, but like I'm gonna try to talk with like, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's how I talk now. Okay, bye!